it's Jessica here with Irish Fest Live. I'm here with Amy Richter. She's a teacher at the Milwaukee Irish Fest Summer School. And we are here today to talk about what goes on at the summer school and specifically what you teach. But first of all, what is Milwaukee Irish Fest Summer School?
The summer school really is a way for people to kind of get a nice sample of what's Irish music, what's Irish culture, you know, dance. The school is actually where I started about 10 years ago, got involved playing the bodhran that way. But it was a great way to try the instrument without really committing to it yet. And I think that's really what the school is about for anyone that's just curious about Irish music, culture, dance, art.
Summer school this year is August 12th through the 16th, and you can sign up online, I assume. And you specifically teach the bodhran, correct? Am I saying it right?
Yep, that's correct.
All right, okay, and what is that?
It's the traditional Irish drum, and it really has become very popular in Irish music. Back in the day, it was more, you know, traditional just to keep the beat, but kind of as time progressed and it became more modernized, it's really become almost more of a melodic instrument as well. So it's a really fun instrument to play, you know, very fun percussive thing.
And is this something that I could learn here now?
Definitely.
Oh boy, okay, all right. So she's gonna teach me how to play.
Yes. You want to make a nice 90-degree angle with your body. Kind of relax your shoulders, but the body has like a nice frame. And what you're going to do is your dominant hand holds the stick, which is called the tipper, which you're going to be beating the drum with. The drum itself, you tuck under your arm, and it just rests a bit on your ribs a little bit. And then if you can turn it up so it's pretty much straight up and down. Because when we strike the drum, we want to have a nice flat surface. The part of the stick you're going to use the most is the part that's facing towards your belly. That end of the stick you're going to use to strike the drum right now. So your first motion is just a nice down stroke. Yeah, exactly. You got it. So you get a nice down, and then you just come with an up. Yep. So there you go.
I'm a drummer.
You got it, she's pro. Now, one basic pattern we teach people, a reel is a tune type you play for dancers, and that's in 4/4. So to count it, you just count 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we call our accent note, you know, would be the first note of the reel. So that note's going to be a little louder. So when you play, it'll just be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Jig pattern. Everyone knows an Irish jig. That's in 6/8. So if you count to 6 when you play, the thing with the jig is there's 2 numbers that you're actually going to accent. So it's the 1 and the 4. It's kind of what makes the jig kind of flowy. So you're still just going to do down up strokes, but when you count, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to down.
Okay.
Yep. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Here you go. A lot of people like to use the words bottle of Jameson to remember the count of a jig. So if you go bottle of Jameson.
Ah, okay, I see now.
Yeah, the count is.
Anybody can come and do this.
Yeah.
No experience.
I'm teaching the sampler class on the Friday of the summer school on the 16th, and what's awesome about that class is it's just a brief little hour-and-a-half class to give you a little taste of this. So it's not even for the full week, so it's not like you have to commit to days of it.
Yeah.
It's literally just a little piece of how you play this, and I'll just get you playing a basic jig and reel.
Cool.